Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be showing you how to change rear pads and discs on a 135i e82. Step 1, we're going to remove the brake pad rear sensor. This will have to be replaced, so just make sure to order yourself a new one since we're replacing the brake pads as well. The next step is we're going to have to remove, there's 16mm bolts behind here. 2 of them. I'll insert a clip now for you to have a closer look, but we're going to use a ratchet. They might be hard to take off, but we've just left them in WD-40 while doing the other side, so they should be okay to take off. So we'll first take them off. Get yourself someone that's a bit stronger than yourself to help you out.
You know it. Okay, nice and loose.
Okay, that's and then grab yourself a little punch tool, one that might go through here. So there's 2 pins here, so you have to remove them. So get yourself a punching tool that fits in there and a hammer, and hammer them out. That's one. And this is one of the clips that's held in like this, so that's going to pop out. And then this should be really easy to remove as well. Just hammer it out. So Ross, my assistant, is going to give them a really good clean while I take out the pads. And these are the 2 bolts that you'll be looking for at the back. That's them for reference, and we're also just going to give them a bit of a clean along with the pins, just to make sure it's easier for next time we have to remove them. They're actually still good. I've rested the caliper there now. We're going to take off the disc next. So make sure your handbrake is on so that the plate isn't moving for when you're taking this off. You'll need a number 6 hex or whatever they're called. Leave it in the comments and correct me. Feel free. And I'm just gonna
Yep.
Going to get that clean as well. And now you're going to have to release the handbrake because the handbrake mechanism is in here. You're just going to release it and then it should be able to pop out.
There we go.
So they're not too bad. There's a bit of a lip on them. Bit of a lip here as well. All Brembo stuff, so Brembo pads and Brembo discs. I'll leave the link down below because I couldn't find this pattern in particular of the drilled and grooved, so I am going to leave a link in the description down below if I can find them. tighten the top, put in the bottom and make sure it all lines up. Few pistons in here. I found it easier to do it when it's back on. I'm just gonna push it back in. It should just slide right in. There you go. And the next thing we're gonna have to do is put these pins in with this bracket, which, as you can see, the design of it, so that the pin can lay right in here and hold the two calipers in place. So we've just cleaned this, so it looks a lot better with the pins. So I'm first gonna put in the top pin here. Might need to guide it in and make sure it's lining up on all sides. You might have to move around the caliper, and once you see it out through here, yeah, you'll see it coming through this side. So once you see it come out, that's enough. So now the plate is in place. We've put partially the bottom pin in to make sure the plate is behind the pin. I'm just pushing it down here, and then you might need to do a bit of force and push the pin in here to line up with the hole here. And then once you see it coming out the right way, which I can see it, you hammer it from behind now. Okay, so I'm happy enough with that. Both of them are past the point, and that's the brake pads replaced. So guys, that's a wrap. That's how you replace the rear discs or rotors if you're in America, and rear brake pads on a 135i e82. Make sure that you're not using this video for if you're having the diesel, because it has different brakes. But yeah, I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Shut off, you